The sun sets in the evening today with a promise that it will rise again tomorrow. Here is hoping that the day comes to a close with a promise that there will be a better tomorrow. Good evening to one and all, respected dignitaries, seniors, juniors, friends, family, and everyone who is watching us live. As we enter the 42nd day of this awe-inspiring celebration of Platinum Jubilee, SCB Medical College and Hospital, we, the Department of Otorhinolaryngology, welcome you all.
We have been celebrating the magnanimous contribution of our institute to mankind and medical education to young doctors in these 75 days long fiesta. Thus, dedicating this evening to all SCBians, we take immense pride in inviting our guests to the dais.
Firstly, I would like to invite our esteemed professor, Dr. Subrat Kumar Behra sir, head of the Department of Otorhinolaryngology, SCB Medical College and Hospital, to the dais. Sir, please. Next, Chief Guest.
Next upon the dais, we feel honored to have with us the chief guest of this amazing evening, Dr. Arakit Presti sir, senior most faculty member.
Now, we invite our guest of honor for the evening, Dr. Shubhabrata Parida ma'am, Professor and Head of the Department of Ophthalmology, SCB Medical College and Hospital, to the dais. We welcome you all with a flower bouquet as a token of our gratitude.
We believe every event should begin in a traditional way by seeking the humble blessings of the Almighty. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization. Calling upon Dr. Shweta and Dr. Monica for a soulful presentation.
Thank you. Next, I would like to invite our highly spirited and influential leader, Dean and Principal, Dr. Dateshwar Hota sir, to the dais and to inaugurate the program with his welcome address. Sir, please. I would request our beloved HOD sir to give a flower bouquet as a token of gratitude to sir.
Thank you. Good evening to all. I am going to address through the laryngo part, maybe by the rhino part, but definitely not by the auto part of the Department of Otolaryngology. Well, this has been a ritual for me. I come and welcome all the past faculties, the participants, the audience. So it has been a routine with me every day, almost at the beginning. Respected Professor Arakhil Swai, my colleague, HOD, guest of honor, Professor Parida, the HOD of ENT, Professor Behra, Professor Sarda Kumari Misra, my teacher, Professor Bhagyadhar Sarangi, Professor Abhay Kumar Raiguru, with whom I had spent a long time at Bulla also, Professor Vijay Kumar Das, Professor Balabhadra Naik, he is supposed to join anytime. Professor R.N. Biswar, Professor Usaranjan Parija, popularly known as Tatubhai, Professor S.N. Panda, Professor Deepak Ranjan Naik. My colleague from the institution, staff, students, ladies and gentlemen. It has been very heartening for all the evening that I come and address. When I see my teacher, my senior colleague, who have contributed enormously for this medical college, before them I only am addressing. There cannot be a better happiness for continuous 75 days that we have allocated to different stakeholders who have contributed for the medical college, our institution. I come and welcome them. I feel really honored and privileged, and also feel blessed that I get the opportunity. Well, all of you are aware that SCB, which has stepped into the 77th year, we could not celebrate the Platinum Jubilee because of the COVID pandemic for around 2 years now. We could decide that yes, we will go ahead with it, let it be any form, whether it is digital, hybrid or physical. As of now, we have made it physical. Hybrid. As of now, it is hybrid. And we come to know about the status for the end of this month on 30th or 31st. What will be the guideline for November? But what we see the trend now, it is 400 to 450 per day with a death of about 4. We believe we will be able to at least hold it hybrid for the next month. Well, you are aware about your institution. Many things I come here and try to unravel. All of you know some information to revisit the history of SC Medical College, our own alma mater. In 1784 AD, there was some health center existing in this premise, which was later known as a Pilgrim Hospital. Probably, this is not certain, probably the governor of the then time, Rajaram Pandit, the Maratha governor, who ruled from 1778 to 1793. So this was established during the Maratha rule. And at that time, a small hospital came up. It was named afterwards as Pilgrim Hospital because it got popularly known as Pilgrim Hospital because those pilgrims en route to Puri and back. At that time, there was no conveyance other than walking or bullock cart. So those people who were falling sick, they were coming here and getting their treatment done. In January 1839, between January 1839 and January 1847, during the tenure of Sir A.J.M. Mills, the then Commissioner of Cuttack, this hospital came in as Pilgrim Hospital. From 39 to 1847, exact date is not known. In 1847, this was renamed. Many things I also unravel as I go through the information. I get information from different sources. In 1847, which I came to know today, this was called as Cuttack General Hospital. It was established in 1847 from Pilgrim Hospital to Cuttack General Hospital. 15 February 1876, it was rechristened to Cuttack Medical School. And the first batch was inducted in March 1879. 14 students appeared in the LMP examination and 13 passed. And at that time, the commissioner was T. Revansha because the Revansha College has been established by his name. Collector was John Beams. Civil surgeon, all of you are aware that we have a Stuart School, was Dr. Stuart. So March 1879, the first batch, 15th February 1876, the Cuttack, then subsequently it was called as Odisha Medical School. So this is a brief history. You can see if you recounting the journey from 1875 to 2021, the whole journey is here. Now, on this legacy, on this prodigy, we have evolved over the years, and now what we are over the last couple of centuries, SCB Medical has grown to a big tree and further branching. The tree, the root is established in the Maratha time, the trunk and the branches that has come out over the centuries, and now still it goes on branching further. We will mention here, it not be out of place if I mention here, one branch was offshoot today when we opened the cadaveric, opened the liver transplant clinic registration, inaugurated by our Honorable Health Minister. There is another branch that has come up. Other branch that has come up, also inaugurated by Honorable Health Minister, is a PAR clinic, Pediatric Asthma, Allergic and Respiratory Clinic. So down the history, as we look over the last 2.5 centuries, what we stand today, the SCB has grown and it has come to this state. With these few words, as usual, I used to inform about history every time I come. I welcome you again to all the luminaries from the otorhinolaryngology, and I welcome all the audience here for the beautiful program that has been orchestrated by the Department of ENT. I again welcome and thank you all.
Thank you for your ever so inspiring words and motivation, sir. I'm glad to invite our beloved Professor Dr. Subrat Kumar Behera, sir, to speak a few words.
Respected Dean and Principal, Professor Datteshwar Hota, respected chief guest of this evening, Professor Arkita Prusti, esteemed Professor Ophthalmology, guest of honor, Professor Parida, retired professors of ENT and my colleagues and juniors. It is a great uh, moment for our department to celebrate the occasion of Platinum Jubilee in our esteemed institution. My initial thanks goes to our Dean and Principal, who also conceived the idea and implemented it successfully. I express my deep gratitude to our seniors, senior retired teachers present today. It is for their guidance that we learned the subject and have become what we are now. The history of the subject of ENT or otorhinolaryngology is very old, and different procedures or the records goes back to 3000 before Christ in the Egyptian papyrus, where the hearing loss is correlated with the trauma to the temporal bone. Indeed, the subject has explored different horizons beyond the limits of the ear, nose, and throat, and has developed to many subspecialties like head and neck oncology, otology, rhinology, laryngology, etc. The different domains or the difficult domains like a skull base has been approachable by the help of nasal endoscopes and advanced microscopes. Thanks to the National Medical Council for allowing the ENT postgraduates to opt for MCS in neurosurgery and plastic surgery in a recent notification. Also, my department at SCB is involved in training of the peripheral ENT surgeons, which is included in the National Program for Prevention of Hearing Loss. In our department at SCB, we are constantly trying to learn and perform the newer developed technique. Recently, we have been managing the cases of post-COVID mucormycosis in our indoor with the cooperation of departments like ophthalmology, medicine, maxillofacial, etc. The first cochlear implantation in our state in any government medical college was done in our institution in the last March. And it is for the excellent coordination and harmony of my staff members, senior residents, and the postgraduate students. We are achieving a targeted goal and striving to do further. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words and kind gestures. And now I'd like to welcome our guest of honor for the evening, Professor Dr. Shubhabrata Parida ma'am, a person with distinct vision and illuminating ideas, to speak a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Respected Dean and Principal, respected chairpersons, senior past faculties, and my dear colleagues and students. When we honor the past, we energize the future, and the present becomes a celebration. Let me express my sincere appreciation and gratitude for the honor I have been given today. I thank our Dean and Principal, Professor Dr. Datteshwar Hota, for thinking of a celebration of this magnitude, and Professor Dr. Subrat Kumar Behera for inviting me as guest of honor. I am privileged to be a part of the celebration organized by the Department of Otolaryngology. It gives me immense pleasure to stand here and witness the landmark celebration of 75 years of SB Medical College, Cuttack. It will be a pleasant surprise for you all to know that I am born in this SCB campus when my father was doing MS in general surgery. I feel so privileged to serve here and to be a part of this Platinum Jubilee celebration, and above all, to organize this event for my department, and also again to stand here as a guest of honor. I am truly grateful to the Almighty. The time, efforts of all the staffs, faculties, students in making this celebration a success each day is praiseworthy, and I am sure today shall be no less. Department of ENT and ophthalmology are always grown as a bro and sis branches to each other. Decades before, we are sharing the same building, same operation theater, though we have come way ahead with separate buildings for each one. But still, we are neighbors to each other at present. In this COVID pandemic, when our building was utilized for COVID patients, we started sharing their operation theater for a year or so. Also, for treatment of post-COVID mucormycosis, we joined our hands and managed those cases swiftly. This Platinum Jubilee has given us a chance to celebrate the existence of SCB Medical College and its numerous achievements. I welcome and congratulate the dignitaries present here today. We are fortunate to felicitate them and celebrate their contribution to our medical college. I look forward to an evening of great joy and happiness. Once again, thank you for having me here today. Jai Hind.
Thank you for your kind words, madam. Next, I'm elated to welcome our much distinguished, humble Chief Guest, Dr. Arakit Prustisa, to share his experience with us.
Respected Principal Sir, my deeds and colleagues, my and junior colleagues now, the present ENT department, and ladies and gentlemen. I was associated with this college, and I'm glad that this college is making its 75-year celebration today, ENT department. I am associated with this medical college from 1958, when I was admitted as a medical student. In the very first year of our medical studentship, when I was just interviewed, the then teacher, Dr. J.M. Senapati, he was probably a junior teacher then, he asked me, these people may join engineering, may join. Then the engineering college was recently started, Budla Engineering College. I told, no, sir, if selected, I will join. Then he told me, you are selected. Then I joined. Since then, I was associated with this. In many instances, then, if I will just tell some incidences, in that first year itself, one of our classmates was just strangled in some this Ranihat cinema. Hill cinema, back behind the Hill cinema, there were some shops. He was in the evening, he was just heckled by one shopkeeper. ता घंटा छोड़े कि नहीं गले तापर से मन दुखरे आसिक हॉस्टेल रे सोईछि somehow or other this thing was known to the seniors. This old hostel was then also there. when that reached to this hostel, people, about 40, 50 people, immediately rushed to that shop and challenged him. He apologized. They also paid the money and retrieved the wristwatch. That was the fellowship, or that was the brotherlyhood then. There are so many instances like this. Then also, I was just a little senior, third year or fourth year. The then principal was Dr. Professor R.N. Sahu. Once what happened, the Mangalabad police entered the medical college for some reason, without permission from the principal. That was the students who were there. They told the principal, sir, tell them to go back-footed. And the principal also told that go back-footed back. Then they marched to from the medical college to the Mangalabad gate, etc. From there to Mangalabad police station, back-footed. Not the whole distance, the medical campus, of course. That was then. We will have that brotherhood, we have got that fellowship and everything. So that was also SCB Medical College, which has now presently has come up to this status. If I tell about the department, there are so many these people who were sitting here. They have contributed to the upliftment, to the carry out of this department all along in their time of work, and they have contributed it. But I would specially thanks to the Behera family, father and son, because they have not only solved this department, they have carried this department from the very, not infancyhood, from the childhood to the present state. Now also they are doing that. So my hands up to them. Then, if you ask me one thing, in short, about this medical college, I would tell Jaya Ho. So, thank you very much for giving me a chance and listening to me. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for providing your gracious presence and sharing your precious experience with us.
Service to education and service to mankind is a noble calling. Amongst us, there are born leaders, compassionate clinicians, enthusiastic surgeons, and last but not the least, frontline workers. Today, we take this historic opportunity to remember their contribution and felicitate them for their achievements on behalf of Department of Otorhinolaryngology. With this, we request our esteemed HOD and all other faculty members to begin the felicitation ceremony. Now I'd like to invite our Honorable Dean and Principal Sir, Dr. Datteshwar Hota Sir, and our HOD to felicitate Dr. Arakshit Prushti Sir on the dais.
I would like to request all the dignitaries to go to the floor for continuing the further felicitation.
Before we begin our ceremony, let us all take a minute to remember and offer our heartfelt condolences to the departed souls who left for their heavenly abode. Tell the names. Late Professor Dr. Radhakant Patnaik sir, late Professor Dr. Dayanidhi Das sir, late Professor Dr. Gangadhar Behra sir, late Professor Dr. Urmila Pani ma'am, late Professor Dr. Bhaktilata Rai ma'am.
We would like to begin our felicitation program by remembering late Professor Dr. Gokulananda Das. Our post-graduation department was established under his leadership. Trained in the UK under the Commonwealth program, he was the first professor of our SCB ENT department. He retired in the year 1969. Next, we would like to invite our esteemed Dean Sir and HOD Sir to felicitate Doctor.
Heroes come and go, legends are forever. Professor Dr. Maguni Charan Sahu, he is the eldest living ex-faculty of our department in SCB Medical College and Hospital. He was the professor and HOD twice in the year 1970 to 1973 and 1983 to 1991. Unfortunately, Sir could not join us today here, but he did send his best wishes to all of us.
Next here. Next, we would like to felicitate Professor.
Professor Dr. Sharada Kumari Mishra ma'am. Born on 23rd of December 1939, she was complacent and committed to her work. She passed her MBBS from NRS Medical College and Hospital, Calcutta, back in 1963. She was the professor and HOD, Department of ENT at MKCG Medical College, Barampur in 1994. And she was the professor and HOD, Department of ENT at SCB Medical College and Hospital. Next.
Next, we would like to felicitate Professor Dr. Bhagyadhar Sway. Born in the year 1941, he finished his MBBS in the year 1965 and MSc NT in the year 1971 from SCB Medical College. First joined in service in the year 1966. He joined as professor in ENT in the year 1995. He retired at Cuttack in the year 1999 with a total service of 32 years and 9 months.
Next, we would like to felicitate Professor Dr. A.K. Raiguru, sir. Born on 1st of April 1944, he passed his MBBS and MSc from VSS Medical College and Hospital. Started his career as a lecturer, he continued to be the professor and HOD and retired as the same in April. Well known to the people of Odisha and adjacent state as a compassionate and able ENT surgeon, his students remember him to be an excellent and sincere teacher.
Next, we would like to felicitate next Professor Dr. Bijay Kumar Dash. He started his career in ENT SCB as a PG student in the year 1974 and retired as a professor and HOD in the year 2003. He has been trained under the aegis of Tata Memorial Hospital in oncosurgery and has performed many complex and advanced surgeries during his tenure. Currently, he is working with several social work groups to help and support the underprivileged.
Next, we would like to felicitate Professor Dr. Rudra Narayan Biswal, sir. He passed his MBBS from VSS Medical College and Hospital, Burla in 1974. Did his MSc ENT from SCB Medical College and Hospital in 1977. He was the professor and HOD, Department of ENT, SCB Medical College and Hospital from 2003 to 2008. After retiring in the year 2010, he served as a professor and HOD, Department of ENT at KIMS for a decade. He is known for his academic and administrative capability.
We would like to felicitate next Professor Dr. Balabhadra Nayak, sir. Born in the year 1948, he joined the government service in the year 1977. He served as an associate professor in SCB Medical College from 1998 to 2008. He retired from government service at the age of 60 years in the year 2008.
Next, we would like to felicitate Professor Dr. Sachidanand Panda, sir. He passed his MBBS from MKCG Medical College, Barampur in 1976 and his MSc ENT from IMS BHU, Varanasi in 1980. He served as a professor and HOD at VSS Medical College and Hospital, Bulla from 2005 to 2008, following which he continued his tenure at SCB Medical College and Hospital. He was an academician and eloquent orator.
We would like to felicitate next Professor Dr. Usaranjan Parija, sir. He is the ex-director and Professor HOD of ENT Head and Neck Oncology in Regional Cancer Center, Cuttack. He has had an active participation in technology transfer programs and workshops on cancers on the head and neck at Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. A chairperson in various international and national congress seminars. Also has been a guest speaker in various cancer conferences, a scientific referee for evaluating projects for Government of India Ministry of Science and Technology.
Next, we would like to felicitate Professor Dr. Deepak Ranjan Naik, sir. He passed his MSc ENT from SCB Medical College and Hospital in 1988. He is a former HOD and currently the Professor in Chief, Unit 1, Department of ENT, Head and Neck Surgery, KMC Manipal. He is trained in advanced microsurgery, endoscopic skull-based surgery, attended various national and international symposiums and updates on laser surgery, near total laryngectomy, and he was also a visiting fellow in head and neck surgery, University of Illinois, Chicago, USA. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Moving on, with such humble yet well-fortified pillars of foundation laid by our Honorable senior faculty members, our department has flourished under the leadership of many over the years. Though difficult it seemed, the journey of 1,000 miles began with a single step. We had a glorious past that has led us into a beautiful present. I would like to invite Dr. Mona Lisa Patsani ma'am to highlight and acknowledge the achievements of our department.
A very good evening to all of you. Acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance. Otorhinolaryngology is a surgical specialty within medicine that deals with different kind of surgery and medical management of the condition of the head and neck region. It includes head and neck surgery, otology, pediatric otolaryngology, neonatology, neurootology, facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. The ENT department of SCV is one of the oldest ENT setup in our country. It was set up in the year 1963 and the first head of the department was Dr. Gokulananda Das. It was then headed by Professor Gangadhar Behera, Professor Maguni Charan Sahu, Professor Dayanindi Das, and so on. Our department is now headed by Professor Dr. Subrat Kumar Behera. The first postgraduate passed from our institute was Dr. H.S. Tarasia. Coming to the ENT ward, we have a 45-bedded ward with 5 cabins. 20 beds has been allotted for mucormycosis management. The ward is also equipped with 1 dressing room, 1 resident room, and 1 recovery room. In year 2020, we have seen over 983 admissions and 860 admissions till date in the current year, on an average of 100 to 120 admissions per month. Then coming to our OPD, we receive almost 300 to 350 patients per day. During the period of 2020 to 21, we have had a total number of 50,555 registered patients attended to our OPD. Our OPD is also equipped with a minor OT procedure room for the daycare procedures. We are having 1 temporal bone dissection lab, which is having 1 workstation for postgraduate students and the faculties, where we are doing the dissection over the wet and dry temporal bone for the enhancement of our anatomical skill. Our seminar room, it can accommodate over 100 people. Every week, we have topic presentation, journal presentation, and case presentations. We have regular group discussions with our postgraduate students to enhance their bedside clinical skill. Our department library is having more than 1,000 books where we can read and refresh our knowledge. Our operation theater, the major OT is equipped with 2 general anesthesia tables and 2 local anesthesia tables. All the routine surgeries performed here. Approximately 1,500 major procedures and 6,000 minor procedures are performed in every year. Our OT is equipped with 1 operating microscope, Stryker micro drill set, Zoom microdebrider, stroboscope, flexible and rigid laryngoscope. Our speech and hearing clinic, it is one of the finest of its kind, and it is equipped with Vera impedance audiometer, Pyoton audiometer. The speech and hearing unit has also adapted innovative skills in speech and language intervention to ADHD and autistic children. We also work in collaboration with All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysore, for the large-scale newborn hearing impairment detection. Recently, we have started auditory verbal therapy for cochlear implanted patients. The first cochlear implantation was done on 1st March 2021 under the guidance of Dr. C. Pritham from AIIMS Bhubaneswar. The cochlear implantation in SCV is done under ADEPT scheme. At present, we are working up for more number of patients in the near future for cochlear implantation. Here, this is the child Amarnath Rana, who has undergone the cochlear implantation in the year 2021 March. And this is the post-op X-ray picture which shows the implanted device, and he is undergoing the speech and hearing therapy. Coming to the mucormycosis, since the COVID pandemic, we have seen a lot of rise in the mucormycosis cases all over Odisha and an increase in the number of the referrals. The part of ENT department has been dedicated for mucormycosis cases. It contains 20 beds. Most of the cases were managed efficiently with the cooperation of other departments like medicine, maxillofacial surgery, ophthalmology, skin and anesthesia team. We had already conducted 3 national conferences successfully in the year 1978, 1996, and 2007. We have also conducted several workshops at the national and state level to improve the standard of our residents. Then, under the national program for prevention and control of deafness, training is given to the different medical officers, pharmacists, and other health workers of the district level. The aim of this program is to educate for the early identification and management of the different kind of ear diseases. In the near future, we are also planning to provide hands-on training program to medical officers on temporal wound dissection. Thank you. Then I will call upon Dr. Anindita to present the next about the near future of our ENT department. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A hearty good evening to one and all. The best feeling in the world is finally knowing you took a step in the right direction, a step towards the future where everything that you never thought was possible is possible. To ensure higher standards in surgical skills, we need a world-class center equipped with modern amenities and teaching faculty. What future holds in store for us? A single ENT complex with dedicated departments for treating deafness and ear discharge, cochlear implantation, endoscopic sinus surgeries, snoring and sleep disorder clinic, vertigo clinic, allergy, and also professional speech and voice laboratory. An increase in number of faculties would definitely help. We need to be equipped with modular operation theaters and equipments which would be at par with top-notch ENT hospitals. What is the scope for better technologies in SCB Medical College? It is essential to have a teaching microscope for better learning of postgraduates, a cobbletter for precise and bloodless surgery, more number of various angle endoscopes, and better monitors. We hope to acquire endoscopic delivery system, microscope laser assembly system, fiber optic delivery system, bronchoscopes with optical forceps for management of airway foreign bodies, and also CLO endoscopes to be at par with leading ENT hospitals across the country. An advanced vertigo clinic is of paramount importance to any ENT department, for which it's essential to have a video nystagmograph, a craniocorpograph, computerized dynamic posturography, dynamic visual acuity, electronystagmography, equitest, subjective visual, vertical, and assessment platform to deal with the complex disorders of balance. To be truly up to date with our contemporaries, it would be essential to have robotic surgery for head and neck surgeries and navigation system for skull-based surgeries. No surgical department can make progress if not accoutred with state-of-the-art skill labs. We plan to have endoscopic and skull-based skill lab with 3 to 4 workstations. It's also as indispensable to have a larger temporal bone dissection lab with 10 to 12 workstations for the residents to know the intricate anatomy of facial nerve. It would also help us to organize temporal bone workshops on a national level. With a hope for a better future, I conclude this session. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we would like to proceed with our cultural event. Shiva is not a name, it's a sentiment and emotion. You cannot break a woman who gets her strength from Shiva. Shiva is strength. So let's celebrate Shiva through Shakti within with a beautiful classical dance. It was a colorful and enchanting performance, and classical dance truly sits at the heart of the state's vibrant culture.
Moving on, music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. We would like to call upon Dr. Dameshwa Lingdaw to play and present a rendition.
Check one. The Beatles have rightly said that if we have an imaginative mind, there may be a better future. When I find myself in times of trouble, when comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she was standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will be as one. Oh, imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as Thank you.
What a captivating performance indeed. Thank you, Dr. Dameshwar.
ମୁକବଧିର ଏକ ଅଭିଶପ୍ତ ଜୀବନ ନୁହେଁ, ବିକଳାଙ୍ଗ ସମସ୍ୟା ନୁହେଁ, କେବଳ ଆମ ଶରୀରର କିଛି ଅଙ୍ଗ ସଂରଚନାର ବିଚ୍ୟୁତି ମାତ୍ର। ଏହି ସମସ୍ୟା ସହଜରେ ସୂକ୍ଷ୍ମ ଅସ୍ତ୍ରୋପଚାର ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଦୂରେଇ ଦିଆଯାଇପାରିବ। ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ଜନସଚେତନତା। ଏହାକୁ ଲୋକ ଆଲୋଚନାକୁ ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମର ଏକ ଛୋଟ ପ୍ରୟାସ ମାତ୍ର। ସରକାରଙ୍କର ଉପଯୋଗୀ ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ କିପରି ଏକ ଅସହାୟ ପରିବାରର ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟଗତ ସମସ୍ୟାର ଦାରୁଣ ବୋଝକୁ ସମାଧାନ କରିପାରିଛି, ତାକୁ ରୂପରେଖ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଆମର ଏହି ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତି କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ର ନାଟକ ଶବ୍ଦ ଏକ ନବ ଦିଗନ୍ତ।
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
ओहो एते दिन पर कानू को टिके हरि नाम सुनिया को मिलला। हे प्रभु ओ बोलो ओ ओ की कोरोना रोग आसिला रास्ता घाट बजार मंदिर सबु सुनसान मनीष बड़ असंभाल हो पड़ता हो सरकार टिके गाँ गाँ बुली टीका दबारू मनीष टिके शांति रे निश्वास नौ
कौन सोना भाई एठी कौन एमती एका एका बस जे कौन काम को जाइन कि
नाई रे जगा कौन आउ काम को जीवी काली राति बहुटा गर्भ जंत्रणा पाउछ रवि तो जाई रहिला सुरत रे घरे भल मंदरे किए मेडिकल नबाको अच्छी कहलु
आम से आशा दीदी कौन आसुना कि
हाँ आसला कहला प्रथम गर्भ नहीं कि माँ गृह रखिया पाई अरे तू तो ठीक कथा मन पकेलु मुझे आसुची से आशा दीदी घर को जाऊँ डाकिक आनी सी टे बहुर चेकअप करदब हाँ आसुची
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
हाँ लो भौणी काली जदि 102 को फोन करी आमे माँ गृह को आसी नथांते ताहले सुविधार प्रसव हेई पारि नथांदा। हाँ भो
हाँ दीदी झील जन्म हो सांगे सांगे क्षीर पिउछि मो सासु कहिथिले प्रथम क्षीर फिंगी दबाकू किंतु मो आपन कथा सुनी ताको क्षीर पियाउछि।
बहुमा पानी टिके आनलु
बापा नियंतु
अच्छा माँ मो नातुणी उठिलाणी।
हाँ बापा एबे झुलणे रे झुलौथिली।
अच्छा माँ रवि फोन करथिला कि केबे आसीबा कहउतिला।
बापा तंका कंपनी तो एबे एबे खोलिछि छुट्टी जम्मा दउनांती से कोन कहथिले आरो मास आडको आसीबे।
कौन कहला 2 मास होलाणी गलाणी की कंपनी चाकरी करछि घरे छोटो छुआटा ताकू देखिया समय नहीं।
सकाल सकाल बहुमा ऊपर गजुछ।
अरे अरे भौणी तमे ए नाही रवि कथा टिके कथा पडिथिला तो।
अच्छा अच्छा सीता तोर मन अछि मासे हे गलानी आज छुआ को टीका ने की दबार अछि दीदी मो संगे संगे रेडी हे के आसुछि।
मोनिका दीपावली से दीपावली दीपावली रविटा कुआडे गला से टोका ए माँ रवि कुआडे गला।
पापा से छक को जाइछले कोन कहउथिले बाण फाण किनि के आनिबे।
दीपावली टारे भी घरे रहउनी।
हे हे तो आसिलेनी
केते बाण आनती तुम पे नड़िया बाण ताଳ पटेटा लंका बाण पूरा मार्केट उठे आनती।
कहले तोर पिला जाने गलानी घरे छोटो छुआटा लाज लागुनी तते।
पापा गल्ला बेले कहिथिले किछि साउंड बेले बाण आइबनी।
बापा नाइ ने तुम पे बड़े मिठा लागे देवा आनती नो 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 कोरिया मिठा नो 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 नो
बढ़िया लाडू। तुम दिवन के कथा होता
कौन टिके दियाছিল ना बाणटा फुटेबा
तो मुंड खराब ना कोन छुआ सोईछि छाने उठे जिबनी।
अरे किछि होबन म दबन तो देख मु कान फुटो देख
अरे अरे
फुटिला
भाई मछली अरे अरे मो झियो खेलुछि।
ରିତା ଦିଦି ତମେ ହଁ ମୁଁ ଏପଟେ ଦେଇକି ଯାଉଥିଲି ତ ଭାବିଲି ତୋ ଘର ଆଡେ ଦେଖିକି ପଳେଇ ଆସିବି ହଉ ଦିଦି ତମେ ଚେୟାରରେ ବସ ମୁଁ ତମ ପାଇଁ ଚା ଆଣୁଛି ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଦରକାର ନାଇଁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ପଚାରିବାର ଥିଲା କି କାଲି ଦୀପାବଳିରେ ଏତେ ବାଣ ଫୁଟିଥିବ ଛୁଆ ତ କାନ୍ଦି ପକେଇକି ବୋବେଇଥିବ ପୁରା ନାଇଁ ତ ଦିଦି ତା ବାପା ଏତେ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ବାଲା ବାଣ ଫୁଟେଇଲେ ସେ କାନ୍ଦିଲାନି କି ଛାନିଆ ହେଲାନି ତ କଣ ରିତା ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବା କାଲି ଛୁଆକୁ ନେଇକି ଶିଶୁ ଡକ୍ଟରଙ୍କୁ ଯାଇକି ଦେଖେଇଦବା କାହିଁ ଦିଦି କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା କି ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ
अच्छा अच्छा ଟିକେ ପାଖେଇଲ ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ବସ ତାହେଲେ କାଲି ଦୀପାବଳିରେ ଏତେ ଶବ୍ଦରେ ବି ଛୁଆ ଚମକିନି
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଚମକିଲେନି ଜମା
ମତେ ଲାଗୁଛି ଛୁଆର ଜନ୍ମଗତ କାନ ସମସ୍ୟା ଅଛି ଇଏନ୍ଟି ଡାକ୍ତରଙ୍କ ପରାମର୍ଶ ନେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ତମ ଆଶା ଦିଦି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କି
ହଁ ସାର୍ ଆସିଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ନମସ୍କାର
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଦିଦି ଛୁଆକୁ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରୀୟ ବାଲ୍ୟ ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଯୋଜନାରେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ କରିକି ତାକୁ ତୁରନ୍ତ DEIC ପଠେଇବା ବନ୍ଦୋବସ୍ତ କର
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ଭାଇନା ରୀତା ଆସ
ତମ ଛୁଆର ଜନ୍ମଗତ କାନ ସମସ୍ୟା ଥିବାରୁ ତାକୁ ଶୁଣାଯାଉନି ଏବଂ ତାର କଥା କହିବାରେ ଅସୁବିଧା ମଧ୍ୟ ରହିବ ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ କଟକ ବଡ଼ ଡାକ୍ତରଖାନା ଯାଇ ଗୋଟେ ଛୁଆର କାନର ଅପରେସନ କଲେ ତମ ଛୁଆର ମୁଖ ବଧିର ସମସ୍ୟା ଦୂର ହେଇପାରିବ
ସାର୍ ଆମେ ତ ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ଏତେ ଗୁଡ଼ା ପଇସା ଅପରେସନ ପାଇଁ କୋଉଠୁ ଆଣିବୁ
ଆରେ ଆଦୌ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହୁଅନି ସରକାରଙ୍କ ତରଫରୁ ସବୁ ଚିକିତ୍ସା ମାଗଣାରେ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି ବାକି ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ ଟି କହିବୁ ସେଇ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ କଟକ ବଡ଼ ଡାକ୍ତରଖାନା ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ସାର୍ ଏତିକି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଋଣ ଆମେ କେବେ ସୁଝି ପାରିବୁ ସାର୍ ଆଦୌ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହୁଅନି ଭଗବାନ ଉପରେ ଭରସା ରଖ ସବୁ ଠିକ୍ ହେଇଯିବ
ସତରେ ତମ ଝିଅର ଜନ୍ମଗତ ମୁଖ ବଧିର ଅସୁବିଧା ଥିଲା ଯାହା ଅପରେସନ ଦ୍ୱାରା ପୁରା ଠିକ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଏଣିକି ଶୁଣ ତମ ଗାଁରେ ଯେକୌଣସି ଛୁଆର ଜନ୍ମଗତ ମୁଖ ବଧିର ଅସୁବିଧା ଥିବ ତୁମେ ଯେଉଁ ଉପାୟରେ ଆସି ଏଠି ବଡ ମେଡିକାଲରେ ଚିକିତ୍ସା ହେଲ ତାକୁ ବି ମଧ୍ୟ ଆଣି ଏଠି ଚିକିତ୍ସା କରେଇବ ହେଲା
ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ସାର୍
ନମସ୍କାର
One day, our patients will be able to tell their own stories, and we will no longer have to convince naysayers that deaf children can listen and speak. Each cochlear implant recipient has a unique and inspiring story of a journey from hearing loss to a better life. We feel privileged and proud to be a part of the fraternity who can bring a difference in somebody's life.
Let's lighten up the air with some melody. Next, I would like to call upon Dr. Khageshwar sir to bring life to the stage with his musical performance.
Hello. Very good evening. So, wait. Bajan. Respected, very good evening to all respected teachers. And this is proud privilege for me for giving this, taking this opportunity to sing a song in this Platinum Jubilee celebration. So I am Dr. Khageshwar. I am working as a professor in ENT department in KIMS Hospital. It is a patriotic song because I was asked to sing a one song. So I thought the patriotic song will be good for all. So everybody will enjoy. Thank you. Sound. No.
तलवारों पे वार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे केसरी रंग सजाया है। अफसोस जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी याद से जान मेरी रहे। ये मेरी ज़मीं महबूब में, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, पीका न बड़े कभी रंग तेरा, इस मुंह से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुड़ बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी मर जाना ये माई मरेगी भीतर तुझे की आंख से दरिया बहता है तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हमेशा रहता है तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं मिल जावा इतनी सी यार जो तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा इतनी सी यार जो
Thank you, sir, for giving me so much, sir. There's a pause of time, so I will not take much time. Next, I will hand over the speaker for next. Thank you.
So welcoming our postgraduates with this beautiful Bollywood dance.
तुमने कभी किसी से प्यार किया? किया। कभी किसी को दिल दिया? दिया। मैंने भी दिया। बचना ऐ हसीनो तो मैं आ गया ये बचना ऐ हसीनो तो मैं आ गया कलयुग है कलयुग क्या लोग सिर्फ एक ही मतलब के लिए जीते अपने मतलब करके इशारा वो लड़की वो लड़की मारे आँख मारे वो लड़की आँख मारे आँख मारे वो लड़की आँख मारे
ओ काके पंजाबी ना तो चुपचाप आते हैं ना ही चुपचाप जाते हैं
सर 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 मो वीडियो टा
Wow, that was one of our energetic high voltage performance by our postgraduates. So now next, moving on to get us all nostalgic with the cult classic retro song, I call upon Dr. Sanjeet Mishra sir to strike a chord with the audience.
Hello. A very good evening and my namaskar to all of you. It's really a feeling of nostalgia to be back, get the opportunity to be back on the same stage where I used to perform during my undergraduate days. It's really a feeling of nostalgia, and here goes my retro song, an Odia famous retro song for all of you. Please.
दुनिया जड़ेता सागर बकुरे ठाए कोटि कोटि सामुका हेले से सामुका केमिति रहिबा सागर एका एका सेई दीप अछि सेई फूल अछि केबे तुमे ना हो केबे मो ना सेई दीप अछि सेई फूल अछि केबे तुमे ना हो केबे मो ना सेई दीप अछि सेई फूल अछि केबे तुमे ना हो केबे मो नाही আমায় কাহানি আমায় কাহানি শুনিবা পাইকি কেবে তুমে না হো কেবে মো নাহি কেবে তুমে না হো কেবে মো নাহি तुमको केते फल पाए हाय भगुण मोहर साखी तुम्हें केते हाय काली छम लागी श्रवण कुमार साखी बाकी कहानी को बाकी कहानी को पूरा करबा को केबे तुमे ना हो केबे मो नाही केबे तुमे ना हो केबे मो नाही तुम्हें भी पियासी मैं भी पियासी दरिया रे फिनिया सागर नाही रहे पियावा समुद्र नाही साहा दुही दुही करा दुही दुही करा साहेब पाई केबे तुमे ना केबे मो नाही केबे तुमे ना केबे मो नाही सेई दीप अछि सेई फूल अछि केबे तुमे ना केबे मो नाही আমায় কাহানি শুনিবা পাইকি কেবে তুমে না হো কেবে মো নাহি কেবে তুমে না হো কেবে মো নাহি সামুকা
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the soulful performance. Now, fashion is an armor that we use not only to create, but to explore phases of life. With the word phase, there goes an inevitable change that lets us sight the beautiful exploration of reality. Tonight, on the runway, we will see unfolding of color, vibrance, and vigor in the form of 5 enthralling seasons, welcoming the dynamic doctors of our department to walk the runway.
If you a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. Yo, girl, just kiss the girl.
And get ready to make some warm, wonderful memories.
Spinning this llama, like I'm piece of M-O-N-E-Y. I love my beaches, south beaches, surfboard and high tide. I can just roll up, cause I'm swole up. So that birthday cake get the Cobra. Bugatti for real.
The smell of the first rain brings out a rainbow of happiness. As the drenching rain hid her tears, she found her strength. Rain is grace, rain is the sky descending to earth. Without rain, there would be no life. Autumn is the time to slow down, get cozy and take a deep breath. Crisp breeze, golden light and painted tress. Autumn whispers to the wind, I fall, but I shall rise again. Winter is not a season, it's a celebration. Celebration of love, power, and calmness. A snowflake is winter's version of a butterfly.
I feel like an astronaut in the what you know about rolling down in the deep. When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put it out in slow motion. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Down in the
Spring is a time of new beginnings, oneness, new life, and a perfect example of after a fall, there is beauty, belief, and admiration. Thank you, doctors, for the wonderful walk. As we are going towards the end of the event, I would take this opportunity to request Professor Dr. Rudra Narayan Biswal sir to speak a few words on this occasion. Sir, please. Mic, mic, sir, putting a mic. I guess no, sir, mic.
Ladies and gentlemen, so it was a pleasant surprise for me. Yes. It was a pleasant surprise for me to be invited to speak something about this for today only. So it is a nostalgia. I remember when I took admission as a PG student in 1974 under the guidance of the legendary figure, Professor Gangadhar Behera. My purpose of joining ENT was his inspiration only. I was inspired by him when he was my teacher in Bulla Medical College in undergraduate. And over the years, his influence on me has been tremendous. And I still remember when this association of ENT was formed under his guidance in 1975 at Paradeep, when the great grandfather of our ENT, Professor Gokulanand Das was there, Professor Dr. Khadanga was there. And since from that time onwards, my association as an ENT PG student was secondary, but our association as extracurricular activities like drama, all these functions, all these many things was more primary, and I was attracted to him. Though I was offered, rather, I was posted as an that during that time, the job was not so, the employment was not so promising. But in spite of everything, I continued my PG studentship, because during housemanship, I was getting stipend of 330 rupees, housemanship. When I joined PG, it was 250 rupees. So it will be these people who are now doing PG must be thinking that that is the dream. However, we continued there and continued it, completed the PG degree, and after struggle for 7 to 8 years, I joined as a junior teacher in ENT in the erstwhile cancer wing of SC Medical College in 1985. And since then, I've been working in SC Medical College, Bhaktapur Medical College, Bulla Medical College. Ultimately, I sat on the chair where my Professor Gangadhar Behera was sitting in 2003. And ultimately I retired in 2010 from the government service and joined Kalinga Institute of Medical Science, Bhubaneswar, where I worked non-stop for 10 years. My student, Ogeshwar, is the professor now there. I am happy, I am proud of him. Besides his extracurricular activities, his academic activities also tremendous. And I have been watching all the students of SC Medical College. I am getting information, and I am associated with some of them in some other ways, and I am also proud of them. And what can I tell? I remember we organized the 3 national conferences, 1978, when I just passed PG. 1996, when I was the joint organizing secretary, Professor Gangadhara Behera was the organizing secretary. And in 2007, I was the organizing secretary, and we organized the conference at Mayfair, Bhubaneswar. So this seems like a dream. How could it be possible? At the fag end, again, some people might be knowing or not, I don't know, but I am not keeping good health. Rather, I am sitting on a dead volcano. But however, I am very, very happy that I am blessed with the blessing of Professor Bhagadhar Swai, he was the head of the department, Dr. Abhay Kumar Rai Guru, Professor Vijay Das, Professor Sarda Misra, and my professor also was more a friend, Professor Parikita Prusti. So I rather cherish the memories of ENT and will cherish it till my end. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the kind words. So now I would request our Assistant Professor, Dr. Deepti Ranjan Patjoshi, sir, to come up the stage and give the vote of thanks.
Good evening, one and all. I feel privileged to be given the opportunity to express gratitude on behalf of the Department of Otorhinolaryngology at the end of this ceremony. This event could not have happened overnight. The wheels started moving long back with meticulous planning and design. We deeply appreciate the relentless efforts of our Dean cum Principal, Dr. Datteshwar Hota sir, for organizing this fiesta with such vigor. We extend our gratitude to our beloved HOD, Dr. Subrat Kumar Behera sir, for his patience and constant motivation to bring this evening to a success. We thank Professor Dr. Subhabrata Parida ma'am for gracing the occasion as guest of honor. We are delighted with the presence of esteemed senior most faculty member, Dr. Arakita Prusti sir, for his presence and lighting of the evening as our chief guest. Next, our sincere gratitude to all the eminent ENT surgeons and doctors who took our time from their busy schedule and attended the ceremony. We thank our budding postgraduates, senior residents, faculty members, all staffs of the department who toiled hard to make this a huge success. Your effort was visible in all performance on stage. Finally, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to the technical arrangement team, musicians, stage sitting, lighting, and housekeeping staffs for working behind the scene to execute the event. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. And now I would request all the department members to come up the stage for the group photograph.